That was hard. Hi guys, this is Jazmin's video. We're gonna make water flowing. It's like floating in the water, like in the jar. Okay, let's first start. You need a candle, food coloring, and this heat thingy, and some water in a jar. Okay. First, get the candle. Here. Fill it more water if you want. You need to fill it water. If you want to fill it more if you want. That's it. Let's put the food coloring. Then put the food coloring. Yeah, finally. Then pour it in here. Done. Let's mix it all. Red, orange. Put the candle here. And then use the heat one. My mom is going to help me. Light. See that? The wax in there is hot. That almost burned me. Now let's put the jar in the mouth. Now it's bubbling. And then it fills water inside. And then after that, it fills up too much water. So it can fill up dry. And see that smoke? It has less air now. Now take it out a little bit. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Clicking the button who looks like a thumbs up. And please comment below, and I love you. Bye. Please subscribe and click below. Bye bye. And also when I click below, I'll click you back. Bye bye.